Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 10 of the batch costing. Please read the questions. This is a good question. Look at it. Component gold is made entirely in cost centers of 100. Material cost 6 paisa. 6 paisa means 0.06 per component. Each component takes 10 minutes per component and each component takes 10 minutes to produce. Each component takes 10 minutes to produce. 10 minutes. The machine operator is paid 75 paisa per hour. 75 paisa per hour. And machine hour rate, this is the overhead. This is the overhead. The setting up of machine is produced to component gold takes 2 hours 20 minutes. Please try to understand here. In this case, direct wages is written here 75 paisa per hour, 75 paisa per hour, 72 paisa per hour. This is the given in hour, but here machine takes 10 minutes to produce one component. 10 minutes taken to one component. Material cost is 0.06 for one component. So therefore, direct wages and on the basis of machine hour, we can calculate factory overhead and direct wages on the basis of time taken. Okay, time taken. Now the setting of cost, machine is produced, the component gold takes 2 hours 20 minutes. Setting of cost is 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay, on the basis of this information, prepare the cost sheet showing the productions and the setting of cost both in the total per component, assuming the batch lot size is 10 components, 100 components, 1000 components. First you have to calculate it wages per components. Working note first. Calculation of operator wages per component. Calculation of operator wages per components. Time to produce one component 10 minutes. Because wages rate is given in hours, that's why you have to change it in hour. 10 by 60 hours. Okay, wages of operator per hour. Wages of operator per hour. What is given per hour? 72 paisa per hour. 72 paisa per hour. So 10 by 60 into rupees 72 rupees. Wages of operator per hour. Wages of per components. Rupees 0.72 into 10 by 60, that equal to rupees 0.12 per component. On the basis of this, you can calculate overhead per component. Overheads per component. This is calculated on the basis of machine hour. Look at it. Machine hour rate 1.50. The machine operator, this rate, and machine takes the machine hour rate, that is 10 by 60 into rupees 1.5, that equal to 1.50 rupees 0.25. This is the two rates. Now you can find the cost sheet. Okay, cost sheet of component for gold. Cost sheet component of gold, component of gold. Gold. This is a batch size, batch size. Ten component, 100 component, 1000 components. Thousand components. Okay, this is a batch size. In this case, this is total per component. Total. This is per component. Per component. Similarly, you write total. You write per component here. Per component. You write total. This is write per component. Component. Look at here. In this case, setup cost. Setup cost you need to calculate here. Setup cost. Setup cost is given here 2 hours 20 minutes. So 2 hours 20 minutes. 2 hours plus 20 minutes. So you get 2 hours plus 20 by 60 hours. Because of the wages rate of operator is given in hours, that's why this will be, you will have to change the in hours. Okay, overheads rate is also given in hours, that's why you will have to change the hours. Okay, you write here. Machine operator, machine operator 2.333 hours, 0.72. Overheads 2.333 hours, 1.50. This is the rate 2.33. Why this 2.33? Because of this will come 2 plus 0.3333, 2.3333 hours. A rate is 0.72, 0.72 for operator, 1.50 for overheads. Look at here. 1.68, 1.68, rate is 0.168, 0.0168, 0.00168. That this is 1.68, 1.68. In this case 3.50, 0.35, 0.035, 0.0035, 3.50, 3.50. Okay, now this is a setup cost. Thereafter you have to calculate production cost. Production cost means material cost, operating cost, overhead, these all. Okay, now material cost, raw material cost, look at it, raw material cost is given in the questions 0.06 per component, 0.06 per component. That this is the rate 0.06 0.06 per component. For 10 components it will be 0.60. This will be 6.00. This is a 60 for 1000 components. Machine operator look at it. Machine operator is 1. What is the machine operator per component? Machine operator cost per component 0.12. This is 0.12, 0.12 per component. Now here is 10 component. This is 1.20. This is 12. This is 120. Overheads. You will have to add overheads. Overhead per component is given. We have calculated 0.25. You write here overhead 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 per component. This is a 10 component, 2.50, 2.50. This is a 25. This is a 250. Now then after this you can calculate total cost. There are two types of cost. One is setup cost, another is production cost. This is A plus B. 9.48, 0.948, 948. This is 48.18, 0.4818, 435.18, 0.43518, 43518. In this way we have calculated here per component cost as well as total cost for 10 components, 100 components and 1000 components. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.